Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we explain New York City construction accident law. New York City construction accident law. If you were hurt in construction site accident, you need an expensive NSC construction accident law to protect your right to fair com- con- worker hurt on construction site has looked to re some PC for our 14 years. We fight hard to get justice for injured work. Contact us at our work accident law. Know how that your life can quickly change in ways you never engaged while medical bills start to pile and up and you struggle to recover. In many cases worker compensations in order to get by. Our New York City law is here to help. You can call us any to learn more about your option for getting fair commissions. Our student lawyers will review your case for fee. So don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Learn more. Expensive content when casing your New York construction accident attorney. Get financial compensation can be key to protecting yourself and getting the medical attention you need. Unfortunately, designed to protect workers are complex and you should be facing an uphill battle at Respawn and Respawn PC over NYC personal injury law can help. NYC construction accident statistics. Construction Construction is NYC most dangerous opportunities in 2018. 30% of all NYC workers were, were in the private construction industry. That number 22 representative a slight increase from 2017 where 20 construction related deaths were reported. Hard of additional work surface serious injuries construction accidents every year. Thanks for watching.